Now, in order to work efficiently on Excel, we need to know the shortkeys. Just imagine if you don't have mouse and you have to do all the work by keyboard, you must know the shortkeys. So, for example, if I want to highlight, right now I'm using the left mouse key and just dragging it to, highlight the whole area. But if I want to do it by keyboard, what I will do is hold Control Shift and then move towards right. What Control Shift does is it will drag it up to the point after which comes a blank cell. So automatically it will highlight up to this point, and then when all the row is highlighted, I can just hold the Control Shift again and Control Shift down. So in that way, you can highlight the whole area. Now, let's try some of the very common shortkeys that has nothing to do with Excel, and you know all of them. So let me just ask you, what is the shortkey for bolding this text? Control B. For underline, Control U. For italic, Control I. If I want to copy the result of this cell to the right, the shortkey is Control R. If I want the same results to be copied down, the shortkey is Control D. So that's just the basic of shortkeys that most of us know. But if we want to use all the Excel based on shortkeys, how much shortkeys will you remember? 365? 420? Or maybe you will prepare a register for, and you will write amazing 600 shortkeys of Excel. And whenever you need the shortkey, you will just open the book. Oh, this is the shortkey, and close the book and then use it. No. So obviously, if you have the full software, you can't remember each of the shortkey. So what you will do in this situation? Now is the time to discuss one golden key in Excel. After that, Excel will guide you automatically which shortkeys to use and what is the combination of that shortkeys. So let's say if I highlight this whole area and I want to fill this cell color and make it like this, but with a keyboard shortcut. So I don't remember or know what is the shortkey for that. I have only one golden shortkey, that is Alt. As soon as you press Alt key, you can notice that all the menu controller will open. So just I have to note that this option is under which tab? Home tab or Insert tab? So if it is on a Home tab, I have to press H and then it will guide me automatically. Okay, you want to color? Then press H again. You can notice that. H, and which color do you want to use? I want to use this color, so I'm just moving the right arrow key and then space bar. You can also do it by enter. So that is an amazing shortkey. So it will take you time in the starting, but as soon as you get used to it, it will not take much time. For example, if I want to align center, I know it is on the Home tab, so alternate and then H. Now align center AC. So that's how you can align center. If I want to apply all borders, I know the shortkey Alt H B A. So in that way, you can get familiar with most of the shortkeys and it will save you a lot of time.